Welcome back. You're still tuned into Mid-Cap Radar. Well, a couple of sectors doing really well. Realty is one of them. The infrastructure companies, all these stocks are surging in trade. Let's talk about them and the ones with exposure to Maharashtra after this election results. Vivek, you have the list. A lot of them are buzzing in trade today.
A lot of them are buzzing today. And in fact, let's look at some context in terms of what exactly happened to the infrastructure stocks in the run-up to this particular election as well as the election outcome. Number one, there were worries of any of the contracts that were signed just prior to the elections or in H1 of FY25, there were worries that, if a new government is formed, there could be cancellation of products there. Number two, capex wasn't really happening, ordering wasn't really happening, so that was also a big overhang for stocks. And number three, execution trends, especially, not really related to the election, but labor shortage was there, due to the ongoing election. So all of these worries actually led to significant underperformance across the entire, infrastructure space going into this particular election. Now, given the fact that there has been a majority that has come in, quite a thumping majority at that, most of the management commentaries after Q2 indicated that, execution is good, ordering pipeline is good, and that is something that they now start to expect coming in. Along with that, there was a recent large ordering which happened from MSRDC, which is the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation. Quite a lot of stocks or quite a lot of companies, in fact, had received large orders. So the overhang of any cancellation over there goes away. So names like NCC, HG Infra, GR Infra, PNC, Ashoka Buildcon, all of these stocks actually will heave a sigh of relief. Now, let's look at some of the companies, the order book and the percentage of ordering activity that actually comes from Maharashtra itself. And on the back of that, you will understand, in fact, almost a direct correlation to the kind of relief rally you will be seeing in this particular names. J. Kumar Infra tops the list, quite a lot of metro projects in Maharashtra, in Mumbai especially, a very large project, from Malad, going all the way up to the eastern part of Maharashtra as well. So these particular names and these particular companies are doing quite well. Almost 61% of order book from Maharashtra. Ashoka Buildcon, almost 48% of its order book. PNC Infra, 47%. GR Infra, 36%. HG Infra, 26%. Afcons, 14%. Patel Engineering, 12%, and along with that, even names like IRCON, even names like RVNL, all of them do have tie-ups as well as JVs for various metro projects, various railway projects, that will pass through Maharashtra. So, whole host of infra companies have exposure to Maharashtra. Whole host of unlisted names too, have quite a lot of pending projects. And remember, H2 onwards, government capex is expected to pick up. Remember, NHAI ordering, like we've been mentioning, has been very tepid in H1. H2 is expected to pick up. So, ordering activity pick up, execution pick up, as well as, continuation is something that the street is cheering today.
The big word is execution. For the sake of all the Mumbaikars, that's what we can hope, right? Those big projects, those big flyovers, the metro construction, that happens sooner than later. And we see some results there as well. That's about the infra space. Thank you for making sense of the moves, Vivek. The other stuff